Hi everybody, Doc Progeny here. I'm going to be showing you today how to move individuals from one pedigree to another in Progeny. I'm going to show you this both in the PC client and also in the web version. So I'm going to start by opening up a pedigree in the client version. This is Progeny 10.6.2. So you'll see I have a pedigree here. You'll see Margaret here. I'm going to choose her as a person to move because you can see she's got her name. So you'll know she's the correct person. So I'm going to click on her. Then I'm going to right click. You'll see I've got the options delete from the database if I want to remove her completely. I can take her out of a pedigree and make her an individual again. I can choose to move to pedigree or move to a new pedigree. So let's just choose the move to pedigree option. I'm going to move her to man, like so. And you'll see she'll disappear. And as I close the pedigree, it's going to ask me to confirm the change, which I've done. And I can click on man. And you'll see, here's Margaret all the way over here. You see she's still got her icons, still got her name showing. And now I can choose to connect her to an existing individual. So for example, she is a sibling of number 6, like so. And it's as simple as that. So it's really straightforward. There is another way you can choose to do it, which some people prefer. You can also, from a pedigree, let's go back to Gothenburg again. You can also choose, for example, if I wanted to take Nigel, I could remove him from the pedigree. And sometimes you'll see this can work a little better in certain circumstances. Like so, he's now out of that pedigree. Save that as I go along. You can click into individuals. Let's find him, like so. There's Nigel. And you'll see now there's no little tail here, so you know he's a disconnected individual. And now I can right click on him, move to pedigree, existing pedigree, and I'm going to put him in man pedigree as well. So if I come back to pedigrees, there's the man folder. Nigel should be there, which he is. Let's move him away from me. And again, I'm going to make him, actually, I'll make him the spouse of Margaret in this case, like so. So you can see, got a couple of ways of doing things there. Some work better than others. You'll find in the web version it's slightly different. The main option you have is that remove individual from pedigree. So I'll show that next. I'm going to close out of the client version. And as if by magic, here's the web version in the background. So if I go to a particular pedigree, so let's choose this ASHG pedigree, you'll see a number of individuals here. I'm going to choose individual number 4. And you can see the only thing you have here is remove individual from pedigree. It'll ask me to confirm I want to do that. It's going to say, where do you want to copy it to? Because obviously you can move these individuals into different folders if you so choose. And there you see they've disappeared. I'm going to save that pedigree. So if I now come back in individuals to that pedigree, I can search for that ID. Once again, you'll see there's no little tails there. I've now got the option to move to an existing pedigree. Let's have a look. Which pedigree should I choose? Yeah, I'm going to choose to move them. Actually, I just took it from there, so I don't want to go there. So I will move it to AU test and click save. And you'll see then, if we go back to pedigrees, go to AU test, and there they are, as if by magic. I'm just going to simply make him the sibling here. So you can see it's pretty straightforward, quite easy to move people around pedigrees. If you do have unrelated individuals, say you do a bulk import, you can choose to move those to their own new pedigree or move them in exactly the same way as I've just shown there. Okay, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. Otherwise, if you could like and subscribe, that would be great. Thank you very much.